How to enable Windows Biometric Service in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable Windows Biometric Service in Windows 11. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, simply click on the Windows search bar and there you simply have to type in services, and now here you simply have to click on it. And now here, once you click on it, a pop-up menu will appear. Now here in this section, you simply have to scroll down and locate the Windows Biometric Service. So here, simply scroll down to find Windows Biometric Service. And now here, once you have found the Windows Biometric Service, then you simply have to right click on it. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply select Properties. And now here in this section, simply Startup Type, and there on the drop-down menu, simply select Automatic. And once you're done with that, you simply have to click on Start if the service isn't running. And after that, you can simply click on Apply. And once you have done that, you simply have to click on OK. And with that, you simply can verify in settings as well by pressing on Windows dot I to open the settings, and there you can simply go to the account section, and there you can simply click on the sign in option, and there you can simply click on fingerprint or face recognition, and you should now be able to set up Windows Hello. And that's it. That's how you can enable Windows Biometric Service in Windows 11. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.